Okay, clean the tape path, clean the heads. Also did some realignments. Some of these were a little bit off. They had drifted. So I'm just going to do a test recording right now. And I've already done this, but I'm going to do it again. We'll go ahead and start that. And then we'll play some Fleetwood Mac here. Tape counter's working. We'll stop that. Let's go back and listen to what we recorded. So yeah, sounds pretty good. That number should be 500. So you are almost dead on from a speed perspective. So it's working at the right speed. If we move to the lower speed, it should go to 250. You're about 250. And we go further. Should be about 125. $500. So your speed is accurate.